How can you say that Islam is the reason why there's terrorism around the world when the own daughter of the Prophet was the first victim of it? She was the first victim of terrorism, yet nobody knows her story. What mistake did she do? What mistake? What sin did she commit? Can anybody answer me, please? An 18-year-old woman, mother, murdered in cold blood.
Evil is with those who will extinguish the light of truth.
The very rights that you hold so dearly today are the rights that she has died for, the rights that she has been killed for in the most barbaric way.
You're gonna let a woman tell us what to do? We will burn her out!
She has been beaten, kicked, slapped, tortured when she was pregnant. She did not do anything to deserve this. It's time to spread her message. It's time to spread her word. What happened to the Lady of Heaven?
With my father no longer here to lead us.
The first act of terrorism did not happen on 9/11. The first act of terrorism did not happen recently. The first act of terrorism happened thousands of years ago, yet nobody knows about it.
This world has become a breeding ground of violence.
Terrorism is not an act of true Muslims. And it's time the world knows that. We finally have a chance to tell the story that has been hidden for years and years and years.
Did your mother ever tell you the story of the Lady of Heaven?
We should have spread her message a long time ago. We should have her be taught in schools. We should have her be taught by other people. You walk around, you ask people, who is the daughter of the Prophet? Nobody would know. Muhammad, who is his daughter? Nobody would know.
She was very special. Daughter to the Prophet Muhammad.
The Lady of Heaven is dropping on December 10th, 2021, the end of this year. If you were not there when they burnt down the door and killed her, if you were not there when they broke her rib and caused her to have a miscarriage and burnt down the house, then you could be there by spreading her message.
The greatest thing in this life and the hereafter is the spreading of peace in the world.
Lady Fatima's goodness inspired people to stand up, no matter what the cost. Her legacy lives on.
My name is Haidar. I'm from Canada, and I stand with the Lady of Heaven.